How do you record for a YouTube short? Now, just real quick, the length for it, you want to try to be under 15 seconds. Now, if you upload by desktop, you can technically go over 15 seconds. But just in general, rule of thumb is for YouTube short, you want to be under 15 seconds. So in this video, we're going to go over the proper format for a YouTube short video. To record a YouTube short, the preferred resolution is 1080 by 1920. So X 1080, Y 1920. Now, if you're just doing a regular YouTube video, the X would be 1920 and the Y would be 1080 instead. So you essentially flip those numbers if you're doing YouTube video versus YouTube short. Now, the setup is very similar to a YouTube video. Right here, the container needs to be MPEG-4. The video codec, that's fine. The audio codec needs to be AAC. Now, if you're not seeing any of this, check the file format. By default, it's on PNG. You want to choose from PNG to FMPEG video. So once you have that all set up, that is how we can render for a YouTube short. Welcome to the end of the video. Now go watch this video. Go watch the video. Click on it. Click on it. Click on the video. Go watch that video. Click on it. Click on the video.